How to convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will guide you how you can convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, import your landscape video into the CapCut in your mobile device. Once you're on your timeline or your editing piece, now to convert landscape to portrait, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Swipe that to your left, tap on aspect ratio. Now from these options here, you have to select the first ratio, that is 9:60. Now you have the portrait mode. Tap on the tick mark. If you want to remove this black background on your video, swipe this menu bar to your left again, tap on background, and here tap on blur, and here now you could go to the last option. There you go. Now this black background has been blurred. Tap on the tick mark if you want to zoom in your video. You can also use your fingertip to zoom in and zoom out this video right here. So that's it. You can export your video now. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.